welcome back to another series of Taste with Me. And today we're going to take a look at Canva AI. There's so many AI, this AI, that tools that I can't keep up with testing all of them every single week. But we're going to try something new today, and I had a little glimpse of the keynote of Canva during their live stream, and I was like, let me see if I can actually use Canva for video editing, because I think that was the most requested feature that they had, apparently. And I'm going to try this prompt here, because as I can see, we have some suggestions to design invitations, maybe to code something, also to create a video and write an image creation. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff that we can do, and we have like visual representation of templates that we can use, and also empty ones. So it seems like a lot. Honestly, I would love to maybe group all this into just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 categories instead of laying them all out like this, because for me that's a little bit too much choice, like too overwhelming. But let's see, can I select? Oh, this is a pro. Okay, already I am stumbling upon something that is a limitation. I don't have Canva Pro because I don't use it that much. Code is not for pro. That's interesting. How come? Image generation is okay. So the video creation is a pro feature, and that's what I actually wanted to try. All right, what can we do that is not guarded by the paywall? But let's just see what this does as explanation. I think it was providing, okay, optimize performance. Okay, these are all the Canva features. I thought it will show me how it actually works, but no. Okay, design, image, code, video clip. Okay, I wanted to create a social media or promo shot of a coffee, new coffee from a coffee shop, but since we don't have that, let's create let's test it for design. Let's design and see what we'll create. Describe your idea and we'll bring it to life. Okay, we have upload option, add from Canva, import. Okay, apply brand kit. That's useful because if you already have your colors in brand in Canva here, that would be very useful. I see this chat using voice available on a couple of places now, which is good. Okay, expand options. Okay, can I make mistakes? Please check for accuracy. This is interesting note I'm also not noticing. Oh, we can do design and format as well, so we can pick the style of the design we want it to be for social media, and the format I want it to be for, let's say, Instagram story. And create a design. Do I have to describe it only without giving it the verb? Let's try without giving the verb. Instagram, actually I have the Instagram story already included. Design a post for a new Christmas edition coffee created and roasted from a local Croatian coffee shop called Kava. Okay, let's see. So it knows that it has to design for social media and to make it an Instagram story. it will take a couple of minutes, but I already see that it's actually creating a couple of versions of that story, which is good. Add a festive coffee cup image. Okay, it already gives me options. More designs with vintage Christmas colors. I wonder what that means. Okay, this is very generic. This is very generic as well. And it only suggests me cups of coffee. Okay. I don't like these options. I said roasted coffee packages. Let's say I don't like this option, please, or replace the coffee cups with roasted coffee packages that fit the local Canva branding. I think this would confuse it a little bit, but let's see what it comes up with. These cups are cute, but nobody uses this kind of cups in a coffee shop. I already know that it's going to be not so good, but let's wait. Because we don't have the branding. Is this it? Experience the magic, buy one get one free. What? Where are the images? It just removed everything and didn't bring me any images. Okay, can I edit this? Can I reiterate this? Maybe this? Try again. Use okay, maybe this will help. Try again and use black packaging and Christmas elements. Oh, for the coffee packages, but make it minimalistic. Oh, now we have proper. Now this is the final result. Okay, this is good. I will definitely remove this or make it a little bit different. Okay, we can change the color palette here. Okay, and like this. This is much better. Actually, this is much better. Oh, this looks like soap, but okay. This is not coffee at all, but maybe this. So maybe we can just import our own image or product design and put it in here in the middle. Okay, we can use Canva editor for that. Oh, all right. We can also change the. Can we change the font? That would be also great. This is minimalistic, handcrafted, roasted locally. Warm up your holidays. I love this. This is actually okay. This is like a Polaroid shot or something like that. Is there any more? I think I want to. This is minimal. This is also minimal, but not like locally roasted, richly spiced. This is too perfect. I think this might be better. Let's say use Canva editor and let's see what we can do here. Okay, maybe we can replace this with a darker color. How can I change the bending of this? Okay. And the rotation is like this. Okay. I want it rotated. Can I change the rotation somewhere else? I wish I could see how many. 0. Okay. 0 degrees. I want it here. Can I move the actual image itself? Not really, but we have a little flake here. I think it's inside of the actual image. That's why we cannot move it, but let's put it here somewhere. Christmas edition, roasted in Croatia. And this one we can make a little bit bigger. Let's make it 24 and wide. Oh, it already has something on top of it. Why does it have the name and this already here? Magic eraser, pixel eraser. Can I just erase this? Oh, it did erase everything. And now what? I messed it up. What I wanted and what I imagined, where did it go? Did I save it somewhere? Yes, okay, let me see. Okay, phew, I thought I lost it. Eraser, magic eraser. Of course, that's the one I probably need, but it's removed. Okay. Now this is the tricky part where the logo here won't be, but let's say that we can tell Canva AI probably that we want our product image to replace this coffee inside of this. And the way it will implement it, it will tell if this is actually usable, functional new feature or it's just something to play with. But okay, even if we remove this text for now, this is a already good story, and you can put your link here somewhere. Roasted in Croatia. Okay, let's go back to Canva AI and let's try to design. Actually, we can code and we can write a document and create an image. Let's try code, an interactive pricing calculator that I can share with my clients. That's not a bad idea. And historical timeline. Okay, let's try this one. I'm actually interested. Create a sleek, I would say minimalistic, modern pricing order for my business. Start with example, Clarity Studio photography. No, to start with single home page per page. Let's say euros. Oh, I mean, maybe we can leave it $2 so it doesn't. Why does it include dollars? That was for hours. Okay. No, I wanted to edit it. I pressed enter accidentally. No, stop. How do I stop it? Where is the stop button? Stop. Don't create it. Oh my goodness. That's something that we miss. Where is the stop button? If a mistake occurs, where is the stop button? How do I stop this from... there it is. He's still going. Like, I don't want this. Stop it. How do I abort? Mission abort. Please. Don't do this. It's done. Yeah. It uses these unnecessary resources because of my mistake. Oh my goodness. I want to edit the prompt. That's something that I want to do right now and I can't. And what did it do? Single home page, number of images fitted, 5. It doesn't make sense. Create a document? No. Okay, let's copy this prompt. Or start over. I don't know what will take less energy and time, but I will just do this. Copy this. I don't even have the copy button. Create a minimalistic modern pricing web for my business. Start with example, single home page per page, editing, website, page redesign, let's say $80 per hour. Consultation. Then ask me about my business name, industry, services, products include. Or just make it visually striking and make it functional. With modern design elements, fully mobile and no non-functional buttons. Okay. Will this fix the mess that we created by accident? We shall see. I was not warned how many prompts I have until I'm being asked for Pro, but we shall see. Maybe we have unlimited amount. I wish there was a stop or pause button. Will this be in the same purple style, or would it be different since we changed it a little bit? Okay, your business is the same. Okay, single homepage, base price. Page redesign hours. The hours are not changing. They're changing here. Okay, 20 hours. Consultation fee. Okay, what's your business name? And web design and UX. That's number 1. Quick answer. What services, products do you want to include? Website development with no code. Let's say UX design consulting, business consulting, design mentoring, design and mentoring. I think that's it. The next answer is what pricing variables should be adjustable? Number of pages. Yes, number of pages. Timeline. Complexity. Add-ons as well. Okay, let's see how complex can it get. Any preferred colors or visual styles? The current design uses purple gradients, but I can just match your branding colors. Okay. Can I add any branding colors? I can't add anything at the moment, but use black, white, and let me see my brand kit. Assets. See all. Can I just see it? Edit. I want this color and this highlight color. Okay, let's see if it's actually going to do something decent. And we will soon end the stream after this experiment. Let me know in the comments below if you are using Canva AI for your business. What does it help you nicely with from start to end, and what are you excited about from the announced Canva keynote features? Are you also trying the Affinity suite? I think they also bought the whole company. So yeah, let me know how much do you like Canva and what do you like about it as well. As I said, I just use it for here and there random stuff, for social media mostly, and small things, and also for my hobbies. So not a avid user, but I was like, let me try this AI and see how different it is from the others. Okay, we hang in there tight. This takes a little bit of time, but hopefully it will be worth it. Okay, my services. Minimum number of pages 1 to 20. Okay, version 3. Let's see. Okay, we can select. It just changed the name, but that doesn't change the logic. See, that's one thing that I'm missing here. why would you make the calculator but not make it like functional? When I'm using consulting, of course I can also consult on pages, but for mentoring I don't need number of pages or project timeline or complexity, you know, because those services are different. But maybe we can create two different calculators, one for services, design services, and another for consulting, to make it easier for the AI. But let's see, no code development, we want 6 pages. Let's say shorter time. Come on, it doesn't move. It moves. Okay, can I make it shorter? Rush, yes. Okay, and the price is increasing with the rushing. Oh, I like this. Okay, standard 4 to 6 weeks. Project complexity simple. Okay, add-ons almost none. Okay, this is the estimated total. Base, timeline, plus minus, complexity, add-ons. Oh, this is the breakdown of the pricing. I don't know how from the base it became this, but because it removed from the complexity, it's simple. Okay. Ready to bring your vision to life? Okay. Interesting. And using design, how can I, in a website, probably Canva website, presentation. Okay, I can also publish it on a website. Where? Don't tell me I just created the Canva website by accident. Probably. Double click to interact. Okay. Yeah, I think this is supposed to be the website. Alright. Using design. Publish. Where? To the internet? No. Whiteboard, document and stuff. Okay. Show code. We can copy code, but can we edit the code? We can't. Okay. It was not bad for a test. I think this was quite good testing environment. It definitely helps with bringing ideas to life. It doesn't do anything else by changing the name here of the actual service, but it gets the information as it is. It doesn't actually makes it like a polished or near polished solution, but at least it calculates well, I think, right? Complexity, let's do the math and see if it's actually good with maths. 3,600 plus how many? 2,160 plus 500. Okay, the math is mathing. I just wanted to make sure. But I do like it. It's just that it's a little bit clunky, and probably I need to prompt it even more. For example, to probably divide the services. Let's say now divide the services into development, design and consulting, and adjust the calculator, how do you call them, sliders accordingly. Now divide / group the services into development, design and One more prompt. Oh, this changed to black. Not bad. Okay, this will be our last version 4, and we'll see if Canva AI can make more complex changes like this. But if it can, I definitely would love to integrate this on my website, but I wonder how functional it will be with Webflow. Version 4, let's say. It only changed the drop down. Okay, but it's good. It didn't change the structure of the actual calculator, unfortunately. It kept it as it was. Yeah, it still doesn't comprehend complex tasks like this. Okay, for basic calculator, I think it's good, but maybe my prompts should be much more specific. Since we already mentioned here about the pages and timeline complexity and add-ons, it's leading every single version based on that first prompt. So I guess we need to give it more specifics. But yeah, that's what we can create with Canva AI. And honestly, it's not too bad. It's just that it is work in progress. For example, it says maximum 20 pages, but I now see we can reach 50 pages here, so it's just something that needs a bit more work, and probably here some ranges would be nice, so we can see where exactly we can click along this slider. But it is what it is. It's great for brainstorming, it's great for visualizing your idea, maybe to create some simple prototype, but is it ready for production? Definitely not. Maybe if we craft a better, much more detailed prompt and maybe use ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, or any other AI to create a better prompt for Canva AI and then tweak it within Canva to create something like this, it might work, but it will take much more time. But all in all, it's interesting. I wish I could try the Canva AI for video editing like this one, but unfortunately I cannot even see a review because it's paywalled. But thanks so much for watching and hope you have a great rest of the week. Make sure to subscribe, share with a friend, and follow for more updates on the other AI tools that I'm going to use for design and test here on my channel. Also, if you didn't know, I also have submitted a new template to the Wix Studio marketplace called Super Tutor, and I designed it live here on my channel in the tab live, and you can see the preview of the process there. And once it's available for purchase, I'll make sure to leave a link across my other videos. And last but not least, another reminder, the Wix Studio Foundations course is in the works and I'm currently uploading it to Udemy and structuring and making sure that it works on the platform. So if you're interested in learning more about Wix Studio and how to use it as a complete beginner and non-designer, make sure to comment below interested and I will add you to the list, and make sure to contact you in any kind of way so I can tell you that it's available for purchase. Is there anything else I should mention? Yes, I have openings and bookings for November, so if you have a project, make sure to check my website, send me an email or book a discovery call. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye bye.